Everybody, this is not your typical beauty guru on Tammy. On today's video, I wanted to show you, let me see what the name of it is. It's Benefit's Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, sorry about my lighting. I apologize. But anyway, I got this in an Ipsy bag. And if you guys know Ipsy, you get like 5 different products. Some are sample, some actually are full size. And I actually got this in my Ipsy bag. I got some really, a few really good items in my Ipsy bag. I'll include a link down into the description. Actually, I think with the link you get a percentage. I'll look into it before I add the link and let you know. Also, at the end of me trying this out and reviewing it, I'm gonna give you my favorite app for getting free beauty products, makeup, baby stuff, anything you can think of. If they sell it on Amazon, you can get it just by using this app. And it's not very complicated, it just takes time. You can, it's a lot of fun. I enjoy doing it. I've already gotten, for example, let me show you. Well, I get a brush set. This isn't the brush set. This isn't all of it. But this is like the brush set that I ordered. And I got this for free. Then I got a matte misting spray, setting spray. I got that for free. Coty Air Spun Loose Powder, translucent. I got that for free. I also just ordered an eyeshadow palette. It's huge. I watched some YouTube videos about it, and it's very comparable to the Jackie Hill. So I'm kind of excited. Like I said in previous videos, I'm kind of excited to discover new makeup and discover like just applying wild colors. I will only do that on YouTube because in my everyday life I'm as basic as can be. I mean, I normally don't wear lipstick out, and I don't wear like heavy makeup, so you'll notice that about me. One thing I do enjoy is my mascaras. I have very thin and almost non-existent lashes, and I kind of compare it to Peach Fuzz. So let's see how this mascara measures up, and let's see if, and I'm actually going to do it right on camera so I can get up and close and personal. Sorry if I'm like so in your face, but I want you to kind of see, one, how non-existent my lashes are, and my hair likes to get in the way, and I don't want mascara on my hair. It's hot here. I'm in New York and it's June, and it's hot and muggy today because it rained. And yes, I opened my mouth. I try, because my lashes are so short. See how short they are? I gotta invest in some fake eyelashes because I want to see, honestly, how much nicer my lashes would be if they were full. But this mascara seems to be building my teeny tiny lashes up a little, if you can see. Sorry, hair. My hair wants some mascara on it, I guess. So I don't really mind. I think, but it left it. No, okay. That was just my hair. everybody puts their mascara on differently, so like the way I'm doing it, I'm making a mess and I'm getting it in my hair, but normally I have my hair tied back when I'm doing this. But you can see by putting a second coat, at least you can see some of my lashes. And like I said, they're very short. And I just really... One good thing about mascara, like especially the waterproof stuff, you can kind of wash it off as long as you kind of if you leave it sit, you can kind of scrape it off and it just comes right off. You know, first reaction is to wipe it immediately, but it tends to smear on your face, you know. So if you can just be patient and not OCD, and I'm very OCD about that stuff, but if you just wait for it to dry, you can pretty much just scrape it off, either with a fingernail or a Q-tip. So that's a little bit of an advice from me. So anyway, okay, I kind of like it. Like I said, I don't wear, you know, a lot of heavy things, especially in the summer, but I think this would be a definite go-to for me in the summer for mascara. It's waterproof, and you saw what it just did to my eyes. I mean, I think they look a lot better. So that's it for the benefit. Let me go back to it. Bad girl, bang. Okay, so if you get a chance and it's cheap, pick this up. Also, as I was saying, this app, it's pretty much you roll dice, and you can auto roll them. If you click my link below, you'll get 30 free rolls, and you earn points. And I think the lowest point range, actually I think I got my brushes for like 4,000 points, and it's really not that long. I think I do like 1,000 points a day, so it would take you like 4 days to get a whole brand new makeup. I mean, they're not the best, and they're, you know, not the high-end brushes, but to get your makeup on and set, they work perfectly. I use them right now until I can get a way better set. So I hope you click the link below, install the app, and start earning your points and getting those free beauty items. And we can sit here and put our makeup on together and chit chat and get to know one another. That would be awesome. I love all my new friends, and I hope we continue to grow this family, and I hope we have a lot of fun with this channel. All right, have a great night, great day, great week.